here's a secret the pros know. The model often matters less than what you feed it. Take the same raw data, shape it into smarter features, and a simple model can beat a fancy one. That craft is called feature engineering. First, scaling. Say one column is house price in the hundreds of thousands, and another is size in thousands. The price numbers are so huge, they completely drown out size. The model barely notices size at all, so we scale them. We squeeze every feature onto the same range, say 0 to 1. Now price and size speak at the same volume, and the model can weigh them fairly. Next, categories. A model cannot do math on the word green. So we use Onehot encoding. We turn one color column into a little set of yes or no columns, one per color. Green becomes a 1 in the green column, and a 0 everywhere else. Now the category is pure numbers, and no color is secretly ranked above another. Sometimes the exact number is noise. Take age. The model does not really need to know 34 versus 35, so we bin it. We slice the range into bands. A person aged 34 simply drops into the adult band. We have traded a noisy exact number for a clean, meaningful group. Here is where it gets creative. Two columns on their own can be weak, but combined they become powerful. Price alone and number of rooms alone each tell you a little. But divide one by the other and you get price per room, a much sharper signal of value. That single crafted feature can teach the model more than the two raw ones ever could. Finally, dates. A raw timestamp looks useless to a model, but it is secretly packed with patterns, so we split it apart into day, month, and day of the week. And suddenly, the model can see a weekly rhythm, like sales spiking every weekend, a pattern that was completely invisible in the raw date string. So that is the heart of it. Scale, encode, bin, combine, and unpack. 5 simple moves that hand the model cleaner, richer signal. Time and again, better inputs beat a fancier model. Now, once we have great features and a model, one big question remains. How do we know its score is real and not just luck? That is cross-validation, and it is next.